this video, I'll show you how to create a half hitch knot and a double half hitch knot. I will be using a 4mm braided cord, such as DMC Nova Vita, also known as a tubular yarn. To create a half hitch knot, take the working cord and place under the filler cord, also known as middle strands. Bring the working cord up and over the filler cord and down as shown. You have now created a half hitch knot. To create a double half hitch knot, take the working cord and place under the filler cord. Bring the working cord up and over the filler cord and down. Pull the end of the cord to tighten and secure. You have now created a double half hitch knot.